Way back when the world was new, lived a dinosaur, maybe near you. It walked on 4 legs, sturdy and strong, called Triceratops all day long. Now Triceratops, look close and see, had horns for counting, 1, 2, 3. Let's start the counting, are you ready? Go! 1 little horn upon its nose, you know, just 1 horn short and stout, pointing forward when it walked about. Oh, Triceratops, hip, hip, hooray! Let's count your horns today. 1, 2, 3, it's easy to do. Horns on your head, me and you. Now look above, its eyes so wide. 2 more horns grew side by side. We counted 1 horn on its snout. Add 1 more, let's give a shout. Now that makes 2 horns standing tall, ready to answer nature's call. Oh, Triceratops, hip, hip, hooray! Let's count your horns today. 1, 2, 3, it's easy to do. Horns on your head, me and you. So 1 on the nose and 2 up high. How many horns beneath the sky? Let's add the last one, make it 3. Count them together carefully. 1, 2, 3, yes, 3 horns in all, big and pointy, standing tall. But wait, there's more, look at its head, a big bony frill like a fancy bed. It went round its neck, sturdy and wide, to keep it safe with nowhere to hide. Oh, Triceratops, hip, hip, hooray! We counted your horns today. 1, 2, 3, we know it's true. 3 special horns belong to you. Triceratops, big and grand, 3 horns helped you roam the land. 1, 2, 3, Triceratops, yippee!